All right, welcome back. Now let's do an example of graphing a secant function. So just like we did with cosecant, we're going to start by graphing the cosine function here. So let's look at y equals cosine 2x. Okay, so how do we analyze this? Same way we did before, right? So that means, again, period is 2 pi. So we're going to set this equal to 0 and 2 pi, right? So 2x is equal to 0, implies that x is equal to 0. 2x equal to 2 pi implies that x is going to equal pi. Okay, so that means the period is going to go from 0 to pi. Okay, we're going to divide that interval into fourths, right? So that means each fourth is going to be pi over 4, right? So 0, pi over 4. So our 4 points that we're going to graph, obviously starting with 0, it's going to be 0. And now in this case here, cosecant starts, or excuse me, cosine starts at the maximum value, which is going to be 1. So it's going to start out 0, 1. Then the next point is going to occur at pi over 4. Okay? And that's when it goes down to 0. And then the next one is going to be pi over 2, which is when it goes down to negative 1. And then at 3 pi over 4, it's going to go back to 0. And then finally, it's going to go to pi, where it ends where it began at 1. Okay, so now let's graph this. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to be, let's do this. Okay, so at 0, 1, right? And then we're going to go to 0 here, and then we're going to go to negative 1 here, and we're going to go back to 0, and then up to 1, and then back to 0, and then down to negative 1, right? And then here and here, okay? So again, I'm going to just connect these with a dotted line. Okay, and now, everywhere where cosine intersects the x-axis, there's an asymptote, because that's where secant is 0. So right here, right here, right here, and right there. Okay? And then likewise, here's where it intersects, and it's going to go up like this. And it's going to go down like this. And that's it. Not bad. All right. Have a great day.